In today's video, we'll be doing three things. We'll be inserting a confidential watermark, then we'll be inserting a image watermark using a logo that we have saved on our computer, and how to insert a do not copy watermark. We will also be deleting a watermark. So let us add it. How to delete a watermark. I'm going to insert the watermark in this document. So I'm going to use my mouse and I'm going to go up to the design tab. I'm going to use my left mouse button to click on the design tab. Then I'm going to come to the page background group, which is here. I'm going to click here, this drop down arrow. Then I'm going to choose confidential. I'm going to click here. And here now is the watermark that says confidential. And if I scroll down, it is on the other page too. So here I've inserted my watermark and it's on the pages here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark. So I'm going to use my mouse and I'm going to click the design tab. Then I'm going to select here. I'm going to go to the page background group and I'm going to click this drop down, this arrow, so I can see the drop down options under the watermark label there. And I'm going to click remove watermark and there it is removed. So this is how you would remove a watermark. I'm going to insert a watermark in my document. I'm going to use my mouse to click the design tab. Then I'm going to go to the page background group and I'm going to click this down arrow where it says watermark. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to select custom watermark. Then I'm going to come here and where it says printed watermark, I'm going to select the picture watermark. Then I'm going to select the picture. I'm going to wait. Then I'm going to select from a file. Then I'm going to go to pictures saved. Then I'm going to click my logo, if it's a logo that you're using. Then the scale, I'm going to choose it. I'm going to choose 100%. I'm going to click OK. And here I have my watermark there. I'm going to, right. So when I scroll down, I can see that the watermark is on the other page, right? Now, I want it to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to click custom. I'm going to click custom, and I'm going to choose a scale to be 50%. I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to close. And here now there is a watermark on every page. So we're going to insert the do not copy watermark in our Microsoft Word document. We're going to use our mouse and we're going to go up to the design tab. We're going to click on it using the left mouse button. Then we're going to come to the page background group and we're going to click this option that says watermark and we're going to click this arrow pointing down so that we get these options. Then we're going to come across and we're going to click do not copy. I'm going to choose this format. And here we have do not copy, right? So if we scroll up to the previous page, we can see it is showing the watermark do not copy.